how to log in on TikTok if you forgot your password. So if you forgot your password on TikTok, there are three ways that you could potentially log in without your password. The first is if you come to your profile section and go to login, you can log in if you have happened to save your password so that it will automatically enter, or you can log in using your social media, or you can just try to log in using your phone number, then tap on send code, then it will send a verification code to your phone number which you can enter and log into your TikTok ID. Other than these three methods, there's no way you can use without your password. But if you forgot your password, you can choose to reset it. If you come to email username section, just make sure to enter the email address or the username of your TikTok account here, then tap on continue. It will ask you to enter your password, but since you don't remember your password, tap on forgot password button there, reset it via email or phone number, then it will send the code. Then once done, you will be asked to enter a new password which you can then use to log in. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.